We also need to think about specific countries because the way in which temperature changes will differ from one place to another. So here you see a record for Pakistan as an example, and what you see is Pakistan reflects our general notion that the temperatures will increase, although of course in Pakistan a more temperate climate, not so much as in the Arctic. And how can these small changes in temperature actually damage heritage? It's only a few degrees, 2 or 3 degrees, even at the pole, only 6 degrees. But a small change in temperature can make many more freezing events in a year. So what you see in this graph is, you see that the record originally in purple had only 7 freezes a year. But when that climate went down by 3 degrees, what happened was a very small change, 3 degrees, and we go from 7 freezing events per year to 50 freezing events per year. A very dramatic change, all driven by the fact that the phase change for water from ice to liquid water or from liquid water to ice takes place at a very specific temperature. And so that if the temperature changes just a little bit, we can get a very different number of events of freezing and thawing each year. What this means is that over the past years, we can see a very dramatic change, a reduction in the number of events, freeze-thaw events in, say, the Czech Republic, or in England, which represent very continental and very maritime climates, we can see a decline in the number of freeze-thaw events. Very dramatic, given there's probably only been a degree or so change in temperature. So this 1 degree change in temperature can be amplified to very large numbers of freeze-thaw cycle changes.